This 2019 Dutchmen Voltage 3705 is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Dutchman is 39 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 9, air conditioning, spare tire kit, skylight, auxiliary battery, smoke detector, LP detector, awning, TV, microwave, leveling jacks, and 160 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features front bath, front bedroom, front entertainment, front living area, kitchen island, loft, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom, rear entertainment, rear kitchen, 2 bedrooms, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2019 Dutchmen Voltage 3705 is 13,113 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.